Hello? Hello? Can
Hi.
I
Hello.
hear?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, or here it is night, but good morning for you. Um, I
Okay.
can,
Good evening for you.
yeah, I cannot see your camera. Your camera is not
You
activated,
can't.
or
Oh, you
right.
can't see me.
I cannot. Yeah.
I think it's network problem. That's why.
Ah, okay. Um,
My name is Ifhamullah, and I'm from Pakistan. I live in
Pakistan.
Hyderabad.
In
From Pakistan.
Did you say Hyderabad?
No, not Hyderabad. We are living in Waziristan, next to the Afghanistan.
Ah, okay. Because my actually my grandfather is from Pakistan now nowadays.
Wow, your grandfather is from Pakistan, from
Mhm.
Hyderabad.
He's from Hyderabad, yeah. But there are two of them, I think. One is in India and one is in Pakistan. But he is in the one that is now before he left during the partition. But
Okay,
he is
before the partition, before
before
1947.
right. hmm
Okay,
He's
so you mean
yeah.
you're half Pakistani and half Indian, something like that, right?
So only one fourth, because
Okay,
only he in my family is from there. So
okay, yeah, that's awesome. I am so glad that from Pakistan, from Hyderabad. Hyderabad is also very beautiful place in Pakistan, and also if I say about the like food is also very common and popular there in Hyderabad, and people they visit there. Especially we call way yogurt is very popular there in
oh
Hyderabad.
yes, yes. And what was the first thing
Yeah,
for you said what else is popular besides the whey?
yeah, way way we
Before
called
that,
in our own. Oh, yeah, before that.
you said for something. Uh you said something is popular there. I did not hear it
Yeah.
exactly.
Okay,
Oh,
let me tell you again. Let me tell you again. Hyderabad foods are very popular. Just biryani is very popular, and
uh-huh.
yogurt.
Uh-huh.
Like people they mix curd and water. After that, they
Yes.
make lassi. You know lassi?
Lassi,
Way we call
mango lassi. Yeah.
no, not mango lassi. It's like curd lassi. Curd lassi.
Oh, yes. Okay. I
Yogurt
understand.
lassi.
I
Yeah.
understand. I understand. Yes,
Yeah.
he actually he is a Sindhi. Do you know this type of mm, do you know this group of people, Sindhis?
Yeah,
Uh
Sindhi. Yeah, Sindh is
yeah.
also, it is a province in Pakistan.
Yes, a
Sindh,
province Sindh. Yeah, this province
yeah,
Sindh. So
yeah, it's
his
province.
family.
Yeah,
Apparently, you can
yeah.
tell by. Is it true? You can tell by the last name. the the last name ends in
Wait,
a certain way. Is that true?
okay. The last name of Sindh.
Of people from Sindh, like Sindhi people.
Okay, Sindhi people, they are very close to Pathan. Their
Yeah,
culture, tradition, and festival, like they are very close to Pathan people.
yeah,
Sindh, like
yeah.
Sindhi. I mean, they're different. Different rather than Punjabi and something. Some other people.
Yes.
Sindhi.
Is it true their surname, last name, usually ends a certain way, like A N I, like Ani, like
Ani, I
uh-huh.
don't know about it. Maybe I don't know about it. Maybe.
Because when I tell people his last name is Advani, they say,
Oh yeah, yeah. It's correct because I have a friend from Sindh, His name is Harwani. Harwani,
Harwani,
something like
Harwani. I think it
yeah.
ends Ani every time or something.
Yeah, their last name.
Hmm.
Yeah,
So, can I ask?
but do you know in yeah, yeah, ask me.
Your one more time. Your audio was your connection was bad. So I have to like the microphone made a noise. So can you repeat what you said? Hello. I hear you now. I hear you now.